Yeah.
Okey, baik. Cikgu Rashid.
Okay, so okay guys, seperti biasa kita selalu akan start, okay, make it as a orang kata practice ataupun make it as a discipline ataupun SOP. Before as a trader, we always need to look forward. Okay, of course kita walaupun ada kita punya SOP, whether it's a technical ataupun fundamental ataupun any kind of orang kata system, you all have it, but it's always a good practice. At least kita tahu apa yang berlaku dekat market. So biasa kita akan guna ataupun saya akan guna Forex Factory lah. Tapi you guys not limited to only Forex Factory. You guys can use any economic calendars outside that. Ada beberapa apps, okay, ataupun website macam investing.com ataupun FX3, Daily FX. There are thousands and thousands website, apps ada kat luar. Okay. So macam biasa, trader yang dah biasa dia tahu always Monday will be very quiet. Okay. Okay, so next week kita baru lepas NFP semalam. Okay, kalau ada any detailed questions, we will go to it later. Tapi semalam saya dah review pasal ada 3 data yang keluar untuk US dollar, and then why it was a kind of a mixed reaction ataupun mixed results. That's why we didn't see much orang kata breakout ke atas ataupun terlalu orang kata bearish move ke bawah, but it's some kind of a spike ke atas ke bawah, and then more of a this kind of a sideways move, okay, because of mixed data that came about last night. Okay, so untuk next week, you guys need to watch out. Kita punya orang kata orang penting ataupun saya biasa panggil Pakcik Jerome Powell is going to testify dekat Senate Committee. Okay, so I think there will be 1 or 2 appointments they're going to, ataupun even dia punya appointment pun actually is going to be confirmed by Senate, so he has to testify. And also I think dia punya vice chair ataupun ada seorang lagi pun dia orang akan confirmkan, so there will be some kind of grilling. Siapa yang pernah tengok Senate Committee punya questions ataupun macam mana dia orang grill before dia orang boleh confirm nomination. So the question will be very hard, and then but of course so far I seen it, Jerome Powell is quite a cool guy, and he is very composed, and then the way he answer questions, although it's a very sensitive ataupun very tough questions, but he just keep calm and then address all those questions very professionally. Okay, tapi something is going to talk good thing about the economic outlook as well as the employment part. So this will boost orang kata expected, okay, I don't want to say confirm, but expected to boost US dollar punya strength, okay, because he's going to downplay the inflation part, and then now the focus will be how to address the inflation. So he has some things in his pipeline, how he's going to address ataupun how FOMC is going to address inflation. So there'll be some good news coming out, so that will push US dollar strength. Okay, so that's what I think market is also trying to allude to how it's going to react to dia punya testimony. Of course, at the same time while he's testifying, this economic data, which is among the key economic data, okay, which is CPI, because this is where the inflation comes about. So if anything, okay, but we don't expect too much differences this time around, because most of it orang kata kita dah tengok for the last 4 to 6 months. So I think it will be between the ranges ataupun between the range that the market is expecting. But anything outside the zone, then you'll see volatility either on the strength or on the weakness. This data will be critical, okay. PPI a bit medium, although kat sini kita nampak sama, okay, but this data will be more volatile than this data, okay. So we're not expecting much movement because most of the movement will happen dekat sini. And then on Friday, of course, bila market dah react, I think Friday before the close of the for the weekend, this data might reverse the trend. Contohnya lah kat sini tiba-tiba US dollar tengah kuat, okay, maybe this data might just slightly reverse US dollar, or the other way around, vice versa. Okay, but these 2 days will be the orang kata setting the stage for the whole week, and this will be just a orang kata short term retracement atau short term correction, because this data is much more important than this data generally. Okay, so itu saja Bun, just a quick update on next week.
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So next week kita ada 3 hari untuk berikan perhatian pada news USD. Satu
Ya.
CPI, satu PPI dan satu lagi retail sales.
Ya.
So yang sebelum ni yang CCI kan yang dia bagikan kesan pada gold tu. Is it?
Yes,
Sebab
actually that's why
interest rate cut.
yeah,
But you say not
CPI
much lah for
basically
this round.
actually it is depends, sebab dia datang sekali dengan siapa tu, Jerome Powell punya testimony. Okay, so kalau
Okay.
Jerome Powell testimony is makes a bigger move, okay, then gold ataupun US dollar will make a bigger move. Tapi data CPI tu, okay, if it's within the range, then market will react to NFP punya data plus Jerome Powell punya testimony. Tapi kalau data CPI ini is macam, kalau kita, I want to give you analogy macam Bollinger Band, there's a certain range, is beyond that range dia keluar. Contoh CPI kat sini market is expecting about 0.4, but suddenly become about 0.8 ataupun 1%, then you see gold will be shooting up to inilah ke atas. Walaupun masa Jerome Powell testimony US dollar is strengthening, maknanya gold tengah turun bawah, tapi tiba-tiba CPI let's say 1%, okay, then you see gold akan reverse balik semula. So that's the impact that this data will have it, because right now Jerome Powell ataupun FOMC their focus will be more towards this CPI, PPI, and then all those inflation numbers starting from this month onwards. Sebab in a way for the last 3-4 months NFP data is showing employment is under control. They already managed to control it very well.
Oh, okay, baik. So anda semua pun kena ambil perhatian